Dancing beat. Hi everyone. To get you on your dancing beat.
Hi there! Yes, it is that time of the year again. The time when the who's who of Tinseltown, the most glittering celebrities and the most enviable fashionistas, सबका मकसद है सिर्फ एक जगह पहुंचने का. The best of the best, the biggest and the most happening party of the year. Obviously, guess करने के extra marks नहीं है क्योंकि जवाब सिर्फ एक है. Fila presents Bombay Times 17th Anniversary Mad Hatter Party in association with Libas. And all of this is happening right here at the JW Marriott Hotel in Mumbai. And all this excitement is not just about the coveted exclusive guest list. हर साल इस पार्टी की एक स्पेशलिटी होती है, एक थीम जिसे सारे गेस्ट फॉलो करते हैं. I will tell you more about the theme a little later on the show, but for now, let's take a recap of some of the themes of the years gone by. Take a look. 2005 में हम आपको क्रूज पे ले गए. 2006 में the party was wet and wild. 2007 was a blast into space. In 2008, Bombay Times went retro. 2009 का थीम था spectacular aqua. और 2010 में हमने आपको डराया with a Halloween theme. And the best part about this party is कि एक पार्टी खत्म होती है and everyone waits with bated breath अगले साल की पार्टी के लिए. The reason? Well, the Bombay Times party की preparations इतने grand scale पर होती है. There's so much passion, dedication and devotion involved in making this not just the best party in town, but also the exclusively best party of the year. तो चलिए देखते हैं इस साल की preparations कैसी चल रही हैं. And of course, while you're doing that, don't forget to put your thinking caps on. That's a hint for you for this year's theme, the Socho Socho. For tonight? Well, बता दूं मैं. Well, I think it's going to be one crazy night of partying because the theme tonight is Mad Hatter. That's right. आज आप देखेंगे सारे glamorous guests को अपने अपने innovative headgears और hats के साथ. इतना ही नहीं, पार्टी का food, decor, drinks, games सब कुछ based है इसी theme पर. तो चलिए देखते हैं पार्टी की तैयारियां कैसे चल रही हैं यार. After all, there's a lot of hard work that goes backstage. Take a look. The creme de la creme of the glamour world will walk on this red carpet and right into the party zone. And as far as I'm concerned, मैं बहुत excited हूँ to know how our guests are going to adapt to this Mad Hatter theme. Which reminds me, मुझे भी तैयार होना है. Even I need to think what I'm wearing tonight. So for all of that, I'm going to take a short little break, but I will be back on Fila Presents Bombay Times 17th Anniversary Mad Hatter Party in association with Libas. Stay right there.
Get you on your dancing beat.
Hi guys, welcome back to Fila Presents Bombay Times 17th Anniversary Mad Hatter Party in association with Libas. I'm Urvashi and well, the red carpet has been rolled out, the best of food and wine has been laid and the decor, oh my god, it's absolutely wacky, just like the theme tonight, Mad Hatter. Of course, I'm also all set in my Mad Hatter outfit and so is my co-host for tonight, Shanal.
Hello, Urvashi. You
Hi.
look gorgeous.
Thank you, so do you.
All right, करना पड़ता है. BT party है. Have to live up to the best, right? Have you checked out the preparation?
Oh yes, everything's all set, I'm all set.
Ooh, so are you going to check out the red carpet right now?
I will do that.
And I'll go to the inside party.
Have fun. Have fun.
You know the theme?
Yeah.
More like it. Now we have a Mad Hatter in the party.
Okay, fine. That looks nice.
That looks really stylish. Now you guys have actually come into the party.
Yeah.
My hat is with my boy, Kunal Rawal. He has it somewhere. He does a lot of hat tricks, so it's with him somewhere. You won't be able to
Are
see
you
it.
learning from him?
I'm trying. He's good with his hands. I'm learning.
I have not worn a hat, but I like your hat.
I think it's good fun. I think there are a lot of mad people out here, so it should be fun. It's some really nice, wacky hats going on in there, so it's nice. It's fun.
Where's yours?
I was going to say I'm wearing my thinking cap, but
This is my head piece, which I've done. Everybody's wearing hats, a certain like cute little head thing. So I wore my mom's jewelry. I just have one little boy here.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cute.
What have I done to be a Mad Hatter here? Nothing, I'm just mad.
I'm happy that there's a theme every time Bombay Times has it.
I'm assuming tonight's going to be quite a fun event, I'm sure.
We're wearing halos. So our hats are done. And as for the rest of you guys, I'm feeling really bad for you. Seriously.
I think it's pretty wacky, it's pretty wild, and it's pretty voyeuristic because there's a lot that can happen behind the scenes. Yeah.
What do you have to say about the Bombay Times parties?
I think it's a nice time. You get to see everyone who you've interacted with over the years for your films. It's nice to be here again.
Could you do a twirl for our camera? It's so pretty.
I think not, but I can do a footsie.
You know, it's actually the first time I've come for one.
Really?
True story, yeah. Every year I'd look at the pictures and I was like, oh man, it looks like it was a really cool party. I missed a really cool party. And every year I was really upset about that. Very happy to be here and support them on this 17th anniversary of theirs, and I'm sure there are going to be another 17, if not more.
Why only once a year? I want to ask. Why once a year Bombay Times party?
The first time Bombay Times की party देखने आया हूँ.
It's a very good thing and a very serious moment that today Bombay Times has completed 17 years.
We are excited about it.
It's beautiful and I really enjoyed it and it's a rocking party.
You have your biggest celebs under one roof, and it's Bombay Times. I mean, it speaks for itself. It's the Times of India group. It's the Bombay Times, and I must say, hats off to them.
Everybody's wearing a hat, so I can't recognize most of the people. So I hug all the girls, and they all look very pretty, and mashallah, it's a great party.
For me, Bombay Times has been home, and I love the fact that I'm here this evening.
Well, it's fun. It's one night, just be and have fun. Yeah.
I must congratulate on behalf of United Spirit Bombay Times 17th anniversary party. It's really rocking. Not only party, but even nowadays I watch Zoom. They're really rocking and it's really doing very well.
Wow, सारे celebs के इतने wacky hairdos and hats देखकर मुझे लग रहा है they're all really going to let their hair down tonight. So on that note, let's find out what Shunal is up to inside.
Who do you think is Alice in Wonderland in Bollywood?
Sonam Kapoor, absolutely. She's like absolutely Alice in Wonderland.
I think I'm very sane and I'm very quiet and I'm very sedated, so I wouldn't know. But I think the maddest people I have in my house is my daughter and my son.
I have no idea. It's a good question though, but I'll think about it. I'll get back to you.
Who, according to you, is the Alice in Wonderland of Bollywood?
Me? I'm always going crazy and getting lost in like certain places. And everybody thinks I'm on drugs. Because that's the whole point of Alice in Wonderland, right?
She volunteered herself. What do you have to say?
I'll have to think about that.
Katrina Kaif.
Katrina. So yeah,
She's in there in the party.
Yeah, well, there you go. We are in Wonderland then.
Alice in Wonderland, me.
I would be the Wonderland.
What are you saying?
It's me.
Me? I'll vote for myself right now. I'm Alice.
How do you qualify?
Because I've stumbled and fallen into this strange world. And very often I'm looking around going, ये कैसे लोग हैं? ये क्या हो रहा है?
They all want to be, but they're not that great actresses.
Maybe last month, the month before, Sonam did a shoot, a sort of Mad Hatters-esque themed shoot, which she looked very hot in. So I think maybe she'd come to mind.
She's inside. You could tell her.
All right, maybe I will, yeah.
Yeah, I think Sonam, yeah.
Too many to count, really. You know, there's that song that goes, Alice, Alice, Alice.
For now, you have to give us an Alice in Wonderland look to the camera.
Should I do the same thing?
There you go.
If you have to give an Alice in Wonderland look for the camera, what would that be?
Give a look. No, I think since
I can't
perform like
Alice.
your turn. That was done. That was it. Come on.
Itna excitement, what atmosphere, and what funny looks.
There you go.
Good one, Urvashi. Now let's check out who's the best dressed in this party.
Sonam Kapoor I in a golden dress that was inspired by the 20s. Hairstyle with a retro look and the deep neckline made her look awesomely stylish. Bipasha was in a Greek goddess look with a fragrant crown of flowers, a glittering silver mini skirt and a chic white top. Not to forget the classy green clutch. इस सब ने उन्हें बनाया paparazzi का favorite. As always, Katrina Kaif अपनी simplicity में ही believe करती हैं. She was all grace and beauty in her white short dress. Nargis Fakhri stood out in a silver and peach anarkali dress. Vidya Pari में आई in a beautiful pink sari and a sexy black backless blouse. And we must say, she looked awesomely pretty as well. The best of Bollywood, the hottest of Bollywood, and the most stylish of Bollywood were all there at Fila Presents Bombay Times 17th Anniversary Mad Hatter Party in association with Libas. और अब बारी है to give out some awards. The धमाकेदार entry award goes to John and Akshay. दोनों dudes की bike entry party की highlight थी. And then these boys took the madness to an all-new level. भाईचारा अवार्ड जाता है संजय दत्त को जो दिखे गए sharing a few special moments with his छोटे भाई रणबीर कपूर. बड़े भैया का रणबीर के लिए प्यार देख के we felt he deserved the भाईचारा अवार्ड. The झप्पी अवार्ड. बड़े भैया संजू ने शायद रणबीर को जादू की झप्पी देना सिखा दिया है. इसलिए रणबीर is going around hugging everybody. अर्जुन, संजय and ये क्या? Even सिद्धार्थ माल्या. लव स्ट्रॉक हबी अवार्ड के हकदार हैं अक्षय कुमार, जिनकी सुपर्ब एंट्री के बाद वो पार्टी में बीवी के पीछे पीछे घूमते नजर आए. इनफैक्ट he didn't even want to give interviews without her. Pretty in Pink अवार्ड का नाम सुन के आपको लगेगा कि ये हम किसी लड़की को देने वाले हैं. But no, this award goes to Neil Nitin Mukesh who wore a bright pink hat to the party. More than the hat, we love the thought behind it. क्योंकि नील ने इसे पहना था in support of breast cancer awareness. जोर का झटका अवार्ड जो शेयर किया रणबीर और कटरीना ने. रणबीर ने सिद्धार्थ माल्या को हक करके हमें जोर का झटका दिया. So did Katrina when she hugged her humshakal Zareen. और हमारा आखिरी अवार्ड है द कंफ्यूजिंग अवार्ड जो जाता है रितेश और जनीलिया को. दोनों ने एंट्री एक साथ की. They posed for the cameras together and एक सेकंड के लिए भी एक दूसरे से दूर नहीं गए. Yet they tell us we are just good friends. अभी दोनों खुद भी confused है और हमें भी confused किया हुआ है. Are they a couple or are they not a couple?
This night is truly turning out to be magical. अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है. So don't you go anywhere. Come back after a short break.
get you on your dancing feet.
Welcome back. You're watching Fila Presents Bombay Times 17th Anniversary Mad Hatter Party in association with Libas. That's right, it's all happening right here. And well, our exclusive guests right now are letting their hair down even as we speak. From their arrival in a grand style to when they rocked on the dance floor, all the exclusive guests at the Bombay Times Mad Hatter Party were seen letting their hair down. King Khan with his dimpled smile charms one and all. And then he surprises all by suddenly breaking into a jig. Sonam Kapoor radiant as ever. Bipasha with Mr. Special, Rana Daggubatti. This was the most happening party of the year with the who's who of Bollywood present there. And they rocked and grooved all night long. DJ Akhil took charge on the console and the guests went wild, dancing the night away. Lots of bonding, lots of happiness. This was yet another rocker of a party from Bombay Times.
And it's a night of a never-ending party. एक ऐसी party जिसका discussion अगली party तक जारी रहेगा.
So well, let's find out the mood. What did people like the most about this party tonight?
How's the party been so far?
You just made my party the first person I'm looking up to, so it's wonderful. It's nice to meet somebody on the same eye level. They keep looking down at people, so it's nice, yeah.
The party is nice. It's
great blast and meeting a lot of good people.
And Libas is actually very happy to be, integrated with the party, and it's a lovely event which is going to go on till late night. I hope we enjoy, all of us. Have a good time over here.
I can see nobody's faces because of the lovely hats that they're wearing.
It's rocking as usual. The Bombay Times ones always are.
You have to show us a dance move.
I'm Arjun Rampal, not Hrithik Roshan. Arjun Rampal, not Hrithik Roshan.
Can you just show us one move, party move of yours?
You shouldn't dance at parties, actually. You should watch the drunk people dance and make fun of them the next day.
Ravina, teach me some step, yeah? Is that the only step? Why is everybody doing this step? Because this is Desi boy step.
Tomorrow morning, what is the first thought you would like to have?
What did I just do last night at this party? And how drunk was I?
That I don't want to get up.
If you were stuck in Wonderland, who would you like to get stuck with?
Brad Pitt. I don't even have to think about it.
Someone entertaining.
Only one person, so there should be a lot of nice, beautiful girls with me, stuck in Wonderland. Nice.
Hrithik Roshan.
Will Smith. He's hot and he's funny.
A certain SRK, I think.
Maybe he's next in the party, you know. So देख लिया आपने, this food is infectious. Shunal, I think we'll have to work really long because this party is an all-nighter.
You're right, Urvashi. You guys had to be here to believe how awesome it is. But let's not leave them out. Let's do a quick rewind of the Mad Hatter moment.
Get you on your dancing feet.